Lord Vishnu has many avatars, among which the Kurma Avatara or tortoise form is the second incarnation taken to steady and support Mount Mandara. Legend has it that Devas and Asuras performed Samudra Manthan, that is the churning of the ocean of milk, in their quest for Amrit or nectar of immortality, using the mountain as a churning staff. Symbolically, the body is the microcosm in which both gods and demons reside, just as they reside in their respective spheres in the macrocosm. The gods represent the sense organs, virtue, purity, and intelligence, while the demons represent delusion and evil tendencies. In Hindu literature, the mind is compared to an ocean or Manosagaram. Mandara, the mountain, is a combination of two words, man, meaning mind, and dhara, a point or line, meaning a focused mind. Lord Vishnu in the form of tortoise aids in steadying and withdrawing of the mind and senses. When humans seek mukti or liberation from cycle of birth and death, they have to integrate and harmonize both mind and physical body and harness both positive and negative energies towards the common goal of mukti through spiritual practice. The story that follows that is of the revered sages Nara and Narayana who were meditating in the Badri Kedar region in the upper Himalayas. Indra, the king of Devas, sent Apsaras or heavenly maiden Ramba and Tilottama to distract them because he did not want the sages to acquire divine powers through meditation. Narayana, who is an avatar of Lord Vishnu, wanted to enlighten the Apsaras that beauty is transient and the power of meditation is tremendous. He struck his hand on his thigh to create a matchless beauty by his spiritual power, seeing whom the arrogance of Indra's Apsaras was shattered. This maiden was Urvasi, named from Ur, the Sanskrit word for thigh. Following which Ishani will also enact the story of Madhu and Kaitaba, who stole the Vedas from Brahma and deposited them in the depths of the ocean. A kalpa consists of a cycle of creations, destructions, and recreations, and a final dissolution into nothingness, no universe, not even time nor space. Vishnu lays in deep slumber on Adishesha, the primal serpent of time, which stretches infinitely upon the silent cosmic waters. Shakti, the goddess Mahamaya, with her powers of delusion, had induced this mystic sleep or yoga nidra upon the great god. At this point, Brahma the creator sprang forth from Vishnu's navel to start the creation of another kalpa. Two demons, Madhu and Kaitab, also emerged from Vishnu's ear and they sought to vanquish Brahma. Seeing the demons, Brahma, who was seated on a lotus at Vishnu's navel, sang in plea to Devi Mahamaya for her to withdraw from Vishnu so he may awaken and slay the two demons. Vishnu, now freed from the influence of Maya, woke up and fought the demons for 5,000 years. Frenzied and blinded by their own might and seeing water everywhere, Madhu Kaitab offered a boon to Vishnu that he can slay them where there is no water. Vishnu lifted them onto his thigh, which were suspended above the waters, and slayed them with his discus. Allegorically, the name Madhu means honey and Kaitab means insect. Honey bees are known for their remarkable single-pointedness in gathering honey, representing all such people who accumulate material objects and are in the pursuit of goals imposed by society. They do not break away from their daily cycle to search for a higher and divine purpose or a meaning for their existence. Spiritual enlightenment happens through divine grace even when surrounded by the ocean of life or samsara sagaram. The pertinent songs and shlokas are from Srimad Narayaniyam composed by Sri Narayana Bhattatri, set to Ragam Hamsanadam and Gambhira Nattai by Srimati Devanayaka.
Manjeeram Manjunadaiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalapantam Padagram Bhrantimajjat Pranata Janamano Mandaradara Kurmam Uttunga Rajana Karahimakara Jyotsnaya Chashritana तापध्वान्तहन्त्रीं ततिमनुकलये मङ्गलामङ्गुलीनाम् अनुकलये मञ्जीरम् अनुकलये मञ्जीरम्
करोति भवदूरुयुगं मनो मे करोति भवदूरुयुगं मनो
दिन दिन तक दिन 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 तक दिन दिन तक दिन दिन तक दिन 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 किट तक दिन तेरे किट तुम तक तुम dim tak 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 taum dim tak 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 taum tak tak din na taum tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tak tum tak tak tum ta tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tak tum tak tum tak tum tak tum ta tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tak din tak din jod din tak din ta tum tak tum tak tum ta
Ni da ba
pani sa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga ga ma pa ni da ma ma pani pani sa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga ma pani sa 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 ga ma pani sa.
ऊरू चारू तवोरू घनमसृणरुचो चित्तचोरौ रमायाः
विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमनिशमुभौ पीत चेलावृताङ्गौ
आनं राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्थपाली समुद्गत
चायं जानुद्वयं च क्रमप्रतुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्घे निषेवे जङ्घे